In this video, I want to talk about how to prepare operational amplifier for GATE and ESE and other engineering exams like DFCCIL and all other recruitment exams as well. So, first of all, your basic concepts of network theory must be strong. Concepts like KVL, KCL, superposition theorem, voltage division rule, current division rule, and some basic concepts, only the basic concepts of network theory should be very strong. So, study network theory before starting analog electronics or operational amplifier. Then why I am making a separate video on op-amp is that because op-amp concept is very important. In GATE exam, at least 5 marks will be easily secured if you can solve op-amp questions. And op-amp topic is very nicely covered in GATE exam. See, all the concepts of op-amp have been thoroughly covered in GATE exam. So our preparation strategy should be just donate 1 or 2 days for studying the theory or basics of op-amp. There is no need to donate more than 1 or 2 days for studying the basic concepts of op-amp, because in GATE exams at least 200 questions of op-amp have been asked in previous year. So just study theory for 1 or 2 days and then try to solve the GATE exam questions. So basic concepts for 1 or 2 days, then solve GATE exam questions. So you will need at least 9 days and try to solve 200 questions of GATE exams. 200 previous year question of GATE exam. So 1 day for theory, 9 days for previous year questions of GATE exam. So total 10 days. So in 10 days you will be able to secure at least 5 marks of GATE exam. And this is a very good strategy, that if in 10 days we can secure 5 marks of GATE exam, then it is a very good work which we have done. So op-amp, and I want to say that op-amp is very important concept for any engineering or recruitment exam as well. This is a very important concept. Please do not skip this concept. I am again saying, please do not skip op-amp topic by any chance. Just op-amp topic should be covered, because in any exam at least 5% of the marks will be from the topic of op-amp only. And also, so just study this topic thoroughly. I have also solved many op-amp previous year questions of GATE. So I will give the link of that playlist in the description box, so you can watch the videos and try to gather as much concept as possible. And one thing which I want to say is that if you solve the GATE exam questions, then you will be able to solve the question of any other exam as well, because the level of GATE exam questions of op-amp is higher than the questions asked in other exams. So if you can solve GATE previous year questions of op-amp, then trust me, you will be able to solve the questions of any other exam as well. So, and one thing which one more important thing which I want to share is that if the op-amp given is in the question is ideal op-amp. See, if the question says that the op-amp is ideal, then trust me, you can feel very good about that question, because and be very comfortable while solving that question, because it is very easily, we can easily apply the virtual ground concept. See, virtual ground concept we can apply if the op-amp given is ideal. So and if we apply the virtual ground concept, then our it really reduces our work to a very small question. So just I am repeating the strategy: 1 or 2 days for the theory, and then 9 days solve at least 200 GATE previous year questions. Solve at least 200 GATE previous year questions, and you need to one operational amplifier question will take hardly from 1 minute to 5 minutes. See, many questions you can solve in 1 minute also, because they are very easy. If you apply the virtual ground concept, then if you are aware of the KVL and the KCL, then you can solve many questions you can solve in 1 minute. So if you study daily for around 5 hours or 6 hours, then I think in 9 days you will be easily able to solve 200 questions of op-amp, and this will easily secure your 5 marks or 6 marks of GATE exam, and at least 5% marks of any other exam like ESE or any other recruitment exam as well. So don't skip the topic of op-amp, just study this op-amp topic thoroughly. If you have any doubt, you can message me. I will solve all your doubts. You can comment in the comment box. If you have any doubt, if you have any doubt on any gate previous year question as well, then also you can comment in the comment box or message me. I will try to solve all your doubts. So feel very comfortable in op-amp topic. It is very easy topic. It is very mark securing topic as well. We can easily secure 5 marks from op-amp topic. So it is very easy topic, and do not feel any fear about this topic. Just feel very comfortable and feel very good about this topic. You can easily solve the questions from op-amp topic. It is very easy. So just study this topic, and best of luck for exams. And please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Thank you and best of luck for exams.